Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Gemini and enabling the image editing module. This gives you access to the tools you need. Next, upload 10 high-resolution JPG or PNG images and make sure they're organized into a folder so you can work methodically. Once uploaded, pick the primary photo to edit first and set your goal: retouch, color grade, or composite. This early clarity speeds decisions and avoids repeated undoing of edits later. You now feed Gemini concise prompts that explain the how and why of each change. For example, say increase exposure by 0.5, reduce highlights, warm skin tones 10%. Begin with global adjustments like exposure and white balance, then move to color grading and finally local retouching with masks and brushes. Make sure to set brush strength and feathering and check before and after toggles. Once done, step back and inspect the image at 100% to catch artifacts. You finish by exporting the file in the correct format and size: JPG for web, PNG or TIFF for transparency or print, and name it clearly. Then review the image at 100% and on another device to verify color and sharpness. If you see halos, banding, or noise, undo the last aggressive adjustment, lower strength, or reapply a refined mask. Alternatively, run Gemini's denoise or fine detail pass. This troubleshooting step prevents quality loss before final delivery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.